Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, Lady Robin, and today we are going to do a small vase wedding dress, okay? And it's gonna have some flowers on it and everything else. So let's get started. I have Mod Podge here that I got from Walmart. This vase that I got from Walmart. These red diamond gems that I got from Michaels, my scissors, and my hot glue gun, okay? And I already wiped this down with alcohol, so let's go. And I'm going to cut the flowers from here, okay? So this is mesh that I'm going to use, all right? So move the Mod Podge so you can see. Move the base. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to cut. If you hear water in the background, that's my mother washing dishes. So I apologize for that. And I am making this for, these will be gifts for, we are opening up a mental health facility. We're opening up a mental health facility, and these gifts are for the people who donate. And you can go, if you would like to donate and be a part, you can go to Broadus Empowerment Community Services.com, and I will list the link for you if you would like to be a part. All right, so this is what we're doing. Cutting this like this. And you're just going around the pattern. Okay, you can use whichever type of pattern you decide to use for this particular project. If this is not what you choose, then that's all right, because it's your project. Okay, and these are what it looked like. I already previously cut those, and now I just cut this one out. Okay, so we're just gonna clean this up. Be right back. All right, now I cut these out, and this is what it looks like. Okay. All right, now we're going to add some Mod Podge to them. Okay. It's brand new, so I'll take this off. All right, I'm just gonna add this to the cup. Make sure that I'm on the proper side. So when you're doing this, just make sure that you're on the opposite side of how you want your flower to look like. Okay. Now you can use whichever glue or whatever thing that you want to use. I'm going to put it so. Just make sure that this is lining up as so. All right. Then we're going to do the other side. As you can see, I went like that. So I wanted to make sure I had it flipped over. Okay. So this is what I want to do and how I want to do it. Oh, I got Mod Podge on there on my vase. So I'm going to clean that up in a minute. And it's gonna dry, so don't worry about the white stuff because it'll dry. You bring it down the way you want it to go. Be right back. And I'm gonna add this white ribbon to bring it out. So I'm gonna add some glue, hot glue gun on it. And I just want to put a little bit around it just to kind of hold it in place. But you can do yours however you choose to do it. Okay. This is how I'm choosing to do mine. I am just adding the finishing touches on her. I think she came out beautiful. What do you guys think? She is so sweet. All right, this is what she looks like. Let me know what you think in the comment section. All right, just pressing down because these are the just finishing touches that I did. Isn't she gorgeous? This is one of the gifts that we will be giving out for our mental health substance abuse facility that we are getting ready to open up. And I will put the link of the website down in the comment section in the description. And if you would like to donate, feel free to donate. And our location will be in Tampa, Florida. All right. So thank you so much for joining me rather. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my channel. God bless.